Let's take a look at this electric salt and pepper grinder set. It came with 2 grinders, a base, 2 charging cables, 2 cleaning brushes, and the user manual. The user manual shows you how to operate them and includes lots of additional information. The grinder has 2 buttons, which allow you to grind for 120 seconds or 10 seconds. Or you can stop the grinder anytime by pressing the button again. And on the top you have the charging port and the base charging contact. On the bottom there's a knob to adjust the coarseness. To access the reservoir, you simply twist and pull. Here's the base. It securely holds both grinders. And on the side there's a USB port to charge both grinders at the same time. The charging cable is just a standard USB-C cable. You can use a basic USB adapter just like this one to charge. However, this is not included in the package. Let's go ahead and charge the grinders. Simply insert the cable into the base, and you're ready to charge. But before I charge, let me go ahead and fill them up. Here I'm adding Himalayan salt, and in the other one I'm adding black peppers. To close, you simply press them together and twist. Alright, let's go ahead and charge them up now. I'm going to go ahead and place them into the base. And here's how the grinder works. As you can see, it does a phenomenal job grinding. Here's a side-by-side comparison of 2 different coarsenesses. Of course, you can adjust it to any coarseness level you like. I really enjoy using these grinders. It has made things much more convenient. And I highly recommend them. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you found it informative.